Hi there, I'm Olivia, and something tells me if you are watching this video, you are trying to figure out how a newbie with 0 years of experience can jump in and start making like 200, 300 or even more. So many people have this question, that's why I'm making this video. So I have been trading for years, and thanks to my experience, many beginners started earning. So that's why I shared this video for free so you can start making your life better. But this strategy isn't just for beginners, so if you have some experience in trading, I still recommend watching this video till the end. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, as you can see, the chart's already set up. We just need to switch the time frame. We'll be placing trades for 1 minute, so I have set that up. I'm gonna trade with the full $100 I have got on my balance, and now let's find a good pair to work with. Okay, I like this setup. I'm going for a down trade with $100, 1 minute. Now let's break down why I'm entering a down trade here and how this strategy works. We have got two main indicators in this strategy. One is the parabolic star and the other is rate of change. So these are two indicators that have proven themselves over my years of trading, and in this combo they complement each other perfectly, guys. The key thing with parabolic star is that we change the oscillation from the default to a value of 0.015. This is super important because it's with this setting that the strategy delivers results like the ones you are seeing on the screen right now. A really solid trade, and for rate of change we switch from the default period to a period of 12. With these settings, as you can see, guys, our first trade just closed in profit, so balance now is $192. And I'm gonna set up the next trade right away, so we are ready, and I will explain the details with the next trade example. Here's our next little trade, and I'm going up this time. Even though the overall trade might seem like it's going down, don't jump to conclusions. In this strategy, we need to focus on two things. First, our parabolic star, it's showing an upward move, buyer strength is increasing, and our rate of change is also rising, climbing higher, which is a great confirmation. Okay, that's exactly why I opened an up trade here, and what's important to understand is that the 1 minute expiration time was specifically chosen for these indicator settings. Guys, I wouldn't recommend opening trades for 2 minutes with this strategy because as you can see, this trade closed in profit, but if we would open for 2, 3 or 5 minutes, it would likely have closed definitely. That's why I suggest sticking to 1 minute trades. See how the price keep moving with the trend, but right in this section where we entered, we were able to grab our profit just in the indicators told us. On to the next trade. Alright, here is our third little trade, and I'm going in with $368 now, even though we started with just $100. So this one's much simpler, guys. We are not looking for a reversal here, but rather a confirmation that the down trade will continue. Okay, we have got super confident signals from parabolic star, so let me zoom so you can see it better. And I will set the size to 2 pixels, and you can see how rate of change confirms the continued drop. The price tries to bounce, but sellers are pushing it down, and we are about to profit on that downward move. There is a slight correction, but I don't think it's a reason to worry, guys. We have still got 5 seconds, and yes, the trade closes in profit, balance at $707. So as you can see, this strategy is perfect for reading trend movements. But here is my advice, guys. Use risk management. You can set a percentage of your deposit. I would recommend like 2%, which with this deposit would be like $14. I wouldn't suggest going above 5% on your first trade. So guys, right before your eyes, $100 turned into $707. So I think this result is fantastic. We multiplied our starting deposit by 7. So I will be waiting for your comments, and don't forget about my Telegram channel. All the links you will find in the description. So thank you for watching. See you next time.